Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked in Webflow, you know that managing breakpoints can get a little tricky, especially when you end up with extra breakpoints you don't actually need. Today I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of removing those unwanted breakpoints. Now here's the thing, Webflow doesn't currently let you delete breakpoints natively, but don't worry, there's a helpful workaround using a tool called FinSuite that I'll walk you through. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what to do when you want a cleaner, more streamlined set of breakpoints in your Webflow project. So let's dive right in. First up, as I mentioned, Webflow itself doesn't actually provide a built-in option for deleting or removing custom breakpoints. If you've added custom breakpoints and changed your mind later, there's no native trash bin icon or easy remove button, something I know a lot of us would find super helpful. But that's where the community steps in, and FinSuite has developed a browser extension that adds some much-needed tools for Webflow users. Here, what you'll do, open up Google, just your regular browser, nothing fancy needed. In the search bar, type in FinSuite extension for Webflow. It should be one of the top results. The FinSuite extension is completely free and it's become pretty popular among Webflow designers because of all the extra features it adds. Go ahead and add the extension to your browser. If you're using Chrome, it's just a few clicks. It's as simple as installing any other browser extension. Once you've added FinSuite, don't forget to refresh your Webflow project page. This is important. Sometimes the extension won't show up until you give the page a quick reload. After you refresh, look over to the left side of your Webflow project interface. You should see a small FinSuite icon there now. It usually looks like their logo, kind of bold and easy to spot. Sometimes it might blend in if you have a lot of plugins, so just give it a moment if you don't see it right away. Click on the FinSuite icon. This will open up a little panel with all kinds of tools that FinSuite offers specifically for Webflow projects. You'll notice a variety of features, everything from cleaning up unused classes to, yes, managing breakpoints. Now I do need to give you a heads up, which is something I wish someone had told me when I found this out myself. As of 2025, there are some updates and changes in the works for the way breakpoints can be managed using the FinSuite extension. So depending on when you're watching this video, you might see a message in the extension saying this feature is temporarily unavailable or still under construction. It can be a bit frustrating to run into these roadblocks, but remember, these kinds of tools and extensions are constantly evolving as Webflow updates its own features and capabilities. If you do come across that message, don't worry, you haven't done anything wrong. It just means the FinSuite team is still working on making breakpoint management fully compatible with the new Webflow updates. It might take a little time before this feature is back up and running smoothly, so keep an eye out for future updates. That's basically it. Even though it's not possible to remove breakpoints directly from inside Webflow at the moment, the FinSuite extension and the community around it are always pushing for new solutions. So be patient, keep an eye on FinSuite updates, and hopefully soon you'll be able to manage your breakpoints exactly the way you want. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions about Webflow, FinSuite, or web design in general, feel free to drop a comment below. I love helping you guys out. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want more clear, real-world tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.